The imposing Inca monument was built in the mid-15th century AD by orders of the Inca Pachacutec, aiming to expand his empire. The name Machu Picchu was given by foreign researchers during the 19th century and comes from a compound Quechua word meaning, old mountain. It is estimated that around 300 people of a high social rank lived in this enclosure, mostly relatives of the Inca. It is said that it was a religious sanctuary, or one of the resting residences of the Inca Pachacutec, but the truth is that its incredible architecture located on the slopes of the Huayna Picchu mountain, takes our breath away thanks to its magnificent beauty and grandeur. Its main buildings, located in what is known by archaeologists as the sacred district of Machu Picchu or the Intihuatana, the Room of the Three Windows, the Temple of the Sun. Machu Picchu is undoubtedly a feat of architecture. The Incas carved and polished the stone blocks in such a way that they fit together with total precision without the need to use mortar. A mixture of various materials, such as lime or cement, sand and water, used in construction to fix bricks and cover walls. They transported the stone blocks needed for their construction to the city without using the wheel. They developed an ingenious system of canals that allowed them to keep the city supplied with water. Curious facts. It has more than 150 buildings. During the Incas' stay, the population reached 1,000 people. Machu Picchu is one of the new 7 wonders of the world. It was declared a historic sanctuary of Peru in 1981 and a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1983. Here are some things you should take into account when visiting Machu Picchu. 1. Take a camera with lots and lots and lots of memory available. Remember that you will be visiting what is considered one of the 7 wonders of the world and one of the most amazing places on the planet. 2. Do not underestimate the dangers of altitude sickness. Regardless of your age, physical condition, it is possible to feel its effects if you do not take the necessary precautions to avoid altitude sickness. 3. Take sun protection. Machu Picchu is located on the top of the Amazon rainforest, in one of the areas with the highest radiation in this part of the world, and despite being cloudy you can get a great sunburn. 4. Bring plenty of water and snacks. There is a snack store with ridiculously expensive prices at the entrance gate, but you can carry them from Aguas Calientes. there are no places where you can get them inside the park. To get to Machu Picchu, you must first take a train ride to the town of Aguas Calientes. Arriving in Aguas Calientes at night is a scene out of an end-of-the-world movie, where everyone goes into a mad rush to disembark from the train to their hotels and hostels, and you don't want to be wandering the streets looking for shelter. Be sure to book well in advance if you are coming to Machu Picchu.